Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel AutoQuest. My name is Bhupender, and guys, in this video we are going to see this new Tata Tigor i-cng. Why new? Because this is the Tigor which has the twin cylinders technology, which is recently introduced by Tata Motors. So we are going to cover this vehicle, and the variant of this Tigor is XZ variant, which is the middle variant, you can say. So let's start with the variant, but before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification first, and also visit our website, which is carquestindia.com. Now the variant of Tigor i-cng. So Tigor i-cng has 4 trims. So XM is the base variant, then XZ, this is the XZ variant, then XZ Plus and XZ Plus LP. LP means leatherette pack, which has 2 extra features only: leather seat covers and leather wrapped steering. Now the color options. So Tigor has 4 colors available. This is the white color. Other than that, you will get a grey color, blue color and a red color. So that was about the variant and color options. Now let's see what features we get in the Tata Tigor i-cng XZ variant. Now let's check out the keys first. So these kind of 2 keys you will get with the XZ variant of Tigor. So there is the lock button, unlock button and follow me headlamp button, and there is the boot unlock button given on the keys, and the design of the keys are quite nice. From the front, this vehicle looks very sleek and very simple design. There is this glossy black finish grille given here, and there is the Tata logo. Chrome is given there under this grille, which looks nice, very beautiful. And this vehicle has very wide headlamps, and these headlamps are the normal halogen headlamps. There is the indicator. Down there you will get the fog lamps with the XZ variant, and the width of this car is 1677 mm. Look at the front, this is quite nice. Now let's check out the car from the side, and the length of this subcompact sedan is 3993 mm. Tigor has some coupe design from there. So this C pillar looks quite good, and the tire size of this vehicle is 14 inches. Rim is given there with this full wheel cover. The ORVMs are of glossy black finish. There is the blinker, and these ORVMs are the electrically adjustable ORVMs, and the all 4 door handles are of body color, and there is also chrome touch given on them. The B pillar given here is of black finish, which again looks nice, and the ground clearance of Tata Tigor CNG is 165 mm. The fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 35 liters. So, and this vehicle has the micro switch available. If you leave this lid open, you won't be able to start the car. So this is again a nice safety feature given with the Tigor. Now let's check out the rear of the Tigor, which is very beautiful, and there is the chrome given here at the hatch, and up there you will get a simple antenna. There is the high mount strobe lamp. There is no defogger given with the Tigor XZ variant. Look at these crystal clear glass of the tail lights, and there is the LED tail lights given with the Tigor. Down there you will get the 2 parking sensors here with this variant. Now let me open the boot and show you the main change, which is that this vehicle has the twin cylinder technology now, and the best thing is the capacity of these CNG cylinders are now increased. So now these cylinders are of 70 liters. So 10 liters capacity increased by Tata Motors, which is again a nice thing. Only one drawback is there. So the height of this boot is now very less. So this is the only thing which I felt that this could be little better in the Tata Tigor. But yes, Tata has given extra capacity for the CNG in these cylinders, so that is equally a better thing. And look at the boot. So there are the hinges given here, so the full boot space can be used in the Tigor. Now let's enter the car. Let me check the rear seat comfort here. So the wheelbase of this car is 2450 mm. There is good leg room here. There is good thigh support also in the Tata Tigor, and also ample headroom. And there are 2 headrests. Both the headrests cannot be adjusted, and there is a handrest which I cannot open right now, but there is a handrest given here. And up there you will see that there is a cabin light given in the middle, which can be used for the whole cabin. Now let's go to the driver seat and check out the driver seat comfort first, but before that, the driver door trim. So this vehicle has the black and this beige color given. All 4 power windows control are given there. There is the controller for the ORVMs, and the driver seat of XZ variant is not height adjustable, but still the height is average, so I can see properly in the front. And the steering is the normal steering, but there is controller on the steering because this vehicle has this Harman music system, which has the 4 speakers and 2 tweeters available in this variant. And there is the keyless entry and push button start. So from there I can start this car. And this vehicle comes with, so this vehicle comes with a single ECU. So this vehicle starts directly on the CNG, and if this vehicle detects any leakage in the system, in the pipes, so this will automatically switch to the petrol. So there are so many such safety features given in the Tata Tigor i-cng. And there is this digital speedometer given here, and up there you'll see there is the CNG gauge and there is the petrol gauge, and this is quite nice. There is chrome also used all around this driver's display. And the AC given here in the Tigor is the manual AC, and the quality of these switches are nice. This is good. And down there you'll get a 12-volt charging socket and a A-type charging socket, and there is some space. You can put your keys or your phone, anything. And CNG is only and only available with the 5-speed manual transmissions. And in between there are 2 cup holders, and there is a handbrake with this chrome tip, and the dashboard. So there is a huge long dashboard in the Tata Tigor and also in the Tata Tiago, obviously. Now let's check out the glove box. Glove box has enough space here, and this is a cooled glove box. Up there you will get a tablet holder also. Now the IRVM is the manually day-night adjustable IRVM, and there are no vanity mirrors for the driver or co-driver. So that was all about the interior and the space of Tata Tigor i-cng XZ variant. Now let's go out and talk about the safety feature, engine specification and the pricing of this car. Now the main thing, which is the safety. So this vehicle got the 4-star safety ratings in the global NCAP, which is the best thing about Tata Tiago and Tata Tigor. Other than that, you will get the dual airbags, ABS, EBD and reverse parking sensors. As this is a CNG vehicle, so you will get a fire extinguisher under the co-driver seat, and there are 3 features available with the CNG Tigor, which are this vehicle has the micro switch, and there is the leak detection protection and the thermal incident protection. So all these features makes this CNG car safest in the segment. Now the engine option. So this vehicle has a 1.2 liter Revoltron engine, which produces the power of 86 PS if you are driving this car with the petrol, and the torque with the petrol is 113 Newton meter. But if you'll switch this car to the CNG, the same engine will produce the power of 73.4 PS and the torque of 95 Newton meter. Now the warranty. So we get a standard warranty of 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers, which can be extended further. Now the main thing, which is the pricing of this car. So you can see all the prices on the screen, and the price for this Tata Tigor XZ i-cng is 8,19,900 rupees, and all these prices are the ex-showroom prices. You can calculate the on-road prices as per the registration tax in your city or in your state. So that was our video about this Tata Tigor XZ i-cng. So if you like this car, you can comment and tell us about it. Now we will see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.